Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a backup camera and a new radio on a GMC Savannah 2016. So first we're going to show you the camera. This is our brake light replacement camera. So the brake light still works from here, but we have the camera in the center, and that gives us a direct view to the bottom so we can see as much as we can. And it's also, if you want to adjust it a little bit to see more farther, you can actually adjust the camera to see more farther. Now we're going to show you the radio. We have installed the Pioneer AVH W4400MEX, which is the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for smartphones. I'm going to turn the ignition on. So first we're going to show you the camera. We put the vehicle in reverse so we can see the rear doors. You can see far back to the back. Okay. We also installed a nice WSB in here, so you have it clean and nice. Okay, so you have a nice WSB in here. And we have, this is a 7-inch system, so there's a CD. You can open it for a CD. In the back in here, there's also a memory card. You have the CarPlay and the Android Auto on this system. For radio installation and other devices, subscribe to our channel and contact us at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.